Hey everyone, it's TJ Dagger here. Welcome to my overview for my guide file creating editor buildings. Basically in the editor we have two main types of buildings. We have big buildings like the church here that you can't enter. It's just basically a big static object that you can have a bit of a battle around, and that's about it. Then we have like this barn, or cow shed I think it's called, where when you enter the roof will disappear. Move about inside. When you're in there the roof appears. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, they're pretty limited. There's only so many of these buildings that you can use, and yeah, we aim to try and do something about that. That's what this guide aims to do. Okay, so here we have some buildings I've made in the editor just using everyday pieces. And when you enter in, yeah, because we haven't pressed start. Now we press start. Okay, that's because that's based on script. So what's happening here is not object orientated like the editor buildings. It's basically scripted. So you can see the roof is there. Doesn't flick in and out like the other ones, but so in there you're able to move around. There's places and objects to hide against. So with a bit of creativity, a bit of work, you can build buildings like this. So this guide's going to break this all down into all the different elements and look at them in more detail. So things like how to use these different objects, how to set their settings and stuff so that everything works the way it should. Also, we're going to look at how to use and manipulate objects so that you can have all the cover positions available for all your landscaping you do. We're going to look at using the height tools and terrain modifying tools, breaking down your polygon sizes to be able to manipulate the terrain how you want to create everything. So then you should be able to create all sorts of buildings, different bits and pieces, all that work and do what you want. So that's what this guide's going to aim to do. There's our little man. I've lost them. There we are. Get off there. So hopefully can inspire some people on how to create their own buildings. So I'll show you all the scripting that's required for all this too. It's reasonably simple. It's just a show and hide feature, although some buildings are a bit more complicated than others, but I'll run through all these things and explain it. That's what we'll aim to do. We'll break it all down. So see you in the rest of the videos. Cheers.